Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is how to appear offline in Roblox. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to your Roblox account or roblox.com, and from here just simply go to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then go ahead and go to the settings. Now from here you will have here privacy and content restriction, and now from here you will have here visibility and private servers. So first just simply go for visibility, and from here you will have here show current experience, so you could just simply toggle this to no one. So from here, as you can see, who can see your current experience and join you, so just simply select no one and make sure the share activity updates is turned off. Now when you go back here on this arrow and go for the private servers, you will have here as well who can add you as a member of their private server, and you can just simply select no one if you want that privacy. That's simply about it. Just simply go through these settings. You should be able to make some changes and appear offline in Roblox. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.